I worked for one of the big four management consulting companies. I didn't feel like I was taking advantage of my time the way that I should, and I wasn't creating the best experience for Kayla and myself. She was born with cystic fibrosis. She's had 2 sets of double lung transplants throughout her life, while my wife is making decisions on whether or not to live her last days in Hawaii or fight with hospitals to get another transplant. I was building PowerPoint slides. Once she got healthy, we rented a small van. I wrote out a plan, shared it with Kayla, and she had said that you've done so much for me, like you need to find happiness as well. And if your job is what's preventing it, then leave and we'll figure it out. The way that Notion's played a role is it's how we organize her entire medical record, as well as all of our travels and our day-to-day task planner. We were in Alaska this past summer. She hiked over 12 miles that day in 2,000 feet elevation and then played around on a glacier. I think those have been the coolest and most exciting things. Just seeing her, one, experiencing really cool things, but also just physically capable of doing things we never thought were going to be possible. I would encourage anybody to take that chance.